I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Reliance Netconnect Broadband Plus account is active and you have the correct SIM credentials. Once done, power your device and make sure the dongle or laptop battery is charged enough to avoid interruptions. Next, you'll insert the SIM into the dongle and connect it to a free USB port. Make sure the connection is firm. This first set of actions prevents errors later and lets you proceed straight to software setup with confidence. Once the dongle is detected, run the bundled Reliance installation package or let the auto run pop-up start the connection manager. You must allow drivers to install, accept system prompts, and restart if the installer requests it. After reboot, open the Reliance Connection Manager, select your profile, and enter the APN and login details if not auto-filled. Make sure the signal bars appear and the USB mode is set to modem, so you now click Connect in the Reliance Manager and watch the status until you see 3 to 4 bars and connected. Once connected, verify by opening a browser and loading a site. Run a quick speed check to confirm throughput. If the connection fails, try reinserting the SIM, switching USB ports, or toggling airplane mode on your device. As a key troubleshooting tip, reinstall the drivers and connection manager. This resolves most configuration conflicts and restores normal service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.